roughing out gouge. Just before I sharpen this up, as I've been sharpening the gouges on the wheel, on the grinder, the wheel is ever so slightly hollowed. The way I want this wing to be is I want it flat but cut back. Okay, so I'm just going to dress the wheel up, change the jig about, get the bevel flush with the wheel. Then the angle of this wants to be around about 35 degrees. That's a good angle. It'll remove wood very efficiently for you. So let's take this, put this down. Simple little $10 diamond grinding wheel dresser. There we go, that's nicely trued up. Get rid of that. Put the jig in. Now this one, again, you're not using the very grind jig, the tool goes straight into the handle. I'm going to bring it down onto the wheel. Just check that the bevel's flush, that's good. And just roll the tool around. You can see just another slight bevel there. I'm going to grind that all away. I like to have just one nice bevel. So I'm going to grind that away, but you can see the angle of the tool, and you can see also that those wings are ground almost flat. I use this tool in a planing fashion. Try and use all the wheel, it stops it from hollowing out. There we go, one nice bevel angle. Again, the jig makes it so simple, so simple. So the next tool we're going to get into is a scraper.